Hi, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to day 30 of 30 Days English Speaking Series. And today is last day, but not the least day because definitely we will continue this series. I'll try my best to continue this series, and I'm super excited to complete this series because this is for the first time that I am completing something I have started. Yeah, I'm completing which I have started, and with consistently I have done this. Yeah, 3 days were not my day. Because of that reason I have not uploaded it, but I'm super happy to share with you people that I have completed 30 days of 30 days speaking English series. And today is very special day for all of us because we will see how much we have improved today. I mean, this is the 30th day, and I know you can see in you that you are now confident. You're not at- definitely you're not speaking correctly, but you are at the same time you are able to speak confidently. It is the matter of you know uh, it is the matter of I can say it is the matter of I think consistency or practice, right? And we have been practicing this language since 30 or 35 or 33 days, and I'm super happy, and I'm very proud of you people, and I'm very proud of myself as well, that we have completed our 30 days of 30 days of sorry day 30 days of 30 days speaking English series. And I am super excited to share with you that we have achieved something today which is very good. And now it is raining. It is actually water droplets is falling down. Water droplets are falling down, and yeah, the weather is really pleasant. I know this is a sign of good and a pleasant day, because when you are happy, your environment is happy, your God is happy, you feel like you are a person who has done something. Yeah, we have achieved I think 30 days of consistently speaking English series, and it was very much needed because, and obviously you have improved a lot while speaking with the speaking skills, definitely. And I have improved a lot. Now you can see in me, and now I am able to speak in front of you people. Now I will work on public speaking. I'll do 45 days of speaking English series. If I'll continue this, then definitely I will try on public, because it is very important to remove the fear of public speaking as well. So today I have not come up with topics. Today I just want to talk to you, and that how it was, how journey was for you people. Is it difficult? What was it difficult? Was it easy? Was it improve? I mean, you are in the improvement. You are in the improving stage. You have improved your speaking skills, definitely. So we will talk about that only, and I'll share with you something that I have watched today, because that is very important thing. And yes, so today it is currently 4:30 or something, and I'm very happy to share with you that I today I watched a video in which I have watched in which the Kenya, in which Kenya has you know discovered something. One of the people, I am not able to remember, I'm not able to recall the name of that person, but he's from Kenya, and he started he started an initiative that is to start seed balls. Do you know what are seed balls? Seed balls are balls which is made up of you know soil or compost, or environment friendly clay, kind of right, like that. And they made they take any kind of seeds, like which help in the environment, as and they put it into the seed and make the ball of it. And after some time they give to dry, so that obviously in the sunshine, in the sunlight, so they give for am I yeah, they give for drying. And then after drying, whenever the barren land is there, they throw them there, so that when when monsoon will come, and or the rainy season will come, or the rainy starts, that time they, uh, the cover will remove, the cover gets discovered, or no, not discovered, it is uncovered, and definitely after that it become the plant, like that kind of initiative. And I'm very much surprised, I was very much surprised to see how people are very much, you know sharp, you know sharp mind, obviously, and how they invented it, it is very good. And in India as well, two or three of girls, I mean students, they discovered something that will, that will remove the plastic, microplastics, by, with the help of tamarind seeds or tamarind, like that. And it is a very good initiative, and I appreciate that initiative that he has, or they have taken it. And I just love it, and I just want to spread this news with you people, that please do it as much as you can, because we need greenery, India, we need green India. And nowadays, dumps and everything is going on, and they are, taking their, our actually environment is going for to risk, I mean, it is going for risk, obviously. So we should try our best to remove, not remove it, will we can reduce it as much as we can reduce it. So please try and understand that how important it is to save our earth, right? Atmosphere is not good at all, the weather is not good at all, the global warming is increasing day by day, and everything. So by this we will, if we will plant trees or plants, definitely we will get benefits, a lot of benefits. And I have messaged some people of my, district, and maybe they will take the initiative. The influencers, I can say, to influencers, to DC, and I've messaged them. I hope they will take the action of it, that they will start the they will start this initiative as well in this, in my city, as you know in India. A lot of people are doing, there many people are doing, and I am very happy with that. But Kenya is doing great, I must say. Plus I would say, eh, one more people is there, one, it is the group of people who is doing a good job, which is of, plastic collection, plastic collection. It is also a good initiative. With that, they have started, recycling it. They use the wrapper, before using the wrapper, they, collect the wrappers and wash them. After that, they send to another country where this process is going on, where recycling of, what to say, yeah, recycling of plastics are going on. And yes, so I just wanted to show with these things with you people, so that our environment, I'm so sorry, our environment will be saved. And with the future generation will, see the environment and everything, and they will also take the initiative as well, because we are Gen Z's, Gen Alphas, or you can say millennials. We will not do, then who will do? Obviously we have to take the initiative of it. So yeah, that's it I wanted to share with you. I hope this video helped you while speaking skills, while, taking the initiative of these things. Please do the honors. Definitely it will help the environment, overall development of the environment, because trees are getting reduced, they are getting degraded, and we need more and more trees, you know and it is a good and a great thing. Whenever you are going somewhere, or going for a park, definitely take a seed ball and go and throw them in anywhere, right? So yeah, that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching it, and I hope you have enjoyed this series. I have enjoyed a lot, and I've learned a lot of things. I have, I have started, I can say I have started, thinking again that what topic I should cover today. And immediately I used to think and record the videos. And I was never a person who has, who has hidden anything from you, not at all. And yes, definitely please subscribe to this channel and make this video viral, because it is very much needed. And at the same time, uh, from tomorrow I will try to come up with shorts. At the same time, I will come up with a lot of things. If it is possible, I'll definitely upload 31 days, or 30 day, day 31 of speaking English series, like that, 45 days of speaking English series, like that. So thank you so much for watching, and subscribe to my channel, click bell icon for notification. We are very close to 200 subscribers. Bye bye. Bye bye.